Today I am going to draw alpaca. So, let's get started. Draw elongated oval or triangles on top of the head for the ear. Now draw a face. For face, draw curved lines. Now draw one more curved line. Now draw a long curved line for body. Now draw a circle for eye. Then draw a small curved line for mouth. Now draw a long curved line for body. Draw 4 legs using curved lines. Now draw a curved line for back. The front legs should be positioned straight down from the body, and the hind legs should have a slight bend. Alpaca legs are relatively thin compared to their body. Draw a small, fluffy tail at the back of the body. Now draw feet one by one. Refine the body with the help of marker. Outline the body with fluffy lines to represent the alpaca's wool. This can be done by drawing small, curved, zigzagging lines along the body outline. Erase any unnecessary lines from the initial shapes. Now our drawing is completed, so it's time to add some colours. Colour the alpaca using shades of white, cream, brown, or black for the fur. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more art tutorials for kids.